So here's the deal. I'm about to head out to Warren, Ohio. In Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania right now. You may not know, you may know, I don't know, but this is actually my hometown. I live in Texas, but I'm actually from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I've been out here, unfortunately, it was for a funeral, for my grandfather's funeral. I know it sounds sad, but it was actually a very uplifting occasion. Not the death, but just seeing family and all that stuff. A lot of family that I had never met before. So yeah, no need to worry. I'm doing okay in that regard. But while I'm here, I've been meeting up with people, getting some ripping done, and I'm going out to meet Dave. You may know him as Coppertop FPV. Going out to Warren, Ohio, which is like the mid spot between where he is and where I am now. So the problem is I don't have any working quads. Yeah. So he has some equipment, some gear. So hopefully I'll be able to, fix my issues once I get out there and hopefully get some flying in, because we're going to a Bando and I've never flown a Bando before. So I'm hoping this works out. But if not, it'll still be cool to just go and hang out. And I brought the Mavic, so maybe I can just get some cinematic stuff, but I want to rip. I'm really hoping I can rip. So we'll see how it goes. I hope everything works out. Oh, someone's texting me. I'm like 2 hours late, something like that. I had issues, but I'm here. So let's go say what's up to the guys. I heard. Where is it?
Right where my Mavic's hovering. Behind me.
G2, oh, I see it.
Fuck you, battery.
All right, this is me, my first time flying the Bando. Gonna take it easy. It's also really windy. And I'm just gonna explore first. Oh no! Get it out. Get it smoothing in. Yeah, it's gonna need to be cleaned.
Oh, do we need?
Oh.